Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla cheesecake. First, let's create the perfect crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of sugar. Then, mix in 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter until everything is fully incorporated. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to set it beautifully. Next, we'll prepare the luscious vanilla filling. In a large bowl, beat 3 24-ounce packages of softened cream cheese until it's perfectly smooth. Gradually add 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, mixing well. Then, incorporate 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully blended before adding the next. Remember, do not overmix the batter. Now it's time to bake our masterpiece. Carefully pour the creamy vanilla cheesecake batter over your pre-baked crust in the springform pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. The center should still be slightly jiggly when you gently shake the pan. Once baked, cool the cheesecake completely at room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Finally, let's prepare our vanilla cheesecake for serving. Carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. Running a thin knife around the edge first helps immensely. Now, you can garnish your beautiful creation with fresh berries, delicate chocolate shavings, or a vibrant fruit compote. For the cleanest slices, use a warm, clean knife, wiping it between each cut. Enjoy your homemade vanilla cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.